Welcome to the recorded demo video of the Fines and Penalty Management System for Enforcement Officers. In this video, we will introduce you to the system's features and guide you through its key functions. To begin, open the Jhar Nikai application on your device. Once opened, the user will be taken to the Jhar Nikai login screen. Enter your email and password in the corresponding fields. Then, reload the CAPTCHA and click the login button. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Enforcement Officer dashboard on the Jhar Nikai home screen. To manage fines and penalties, select the Fines and Penalty option from the dashboard. Upon selecting the Fines and Penalty option from the dashboard, a list of options for viewing recent activities and managing challan-related actions will be displayed. The available options include Today's Challan, Today's Application, Challan Report, Collection Report, Generate Challan, Track Challan. To view the list of challans issued today, select the Today's Challan option from the Recent Activity section. Upon selecting the Today's Challan option, a list of challans will be displayed along with options to view its details. Challan, Payment Receipt. To view the list of applications submitted today, select the Today's Application option from the Recent Activity section. Upon selecting the Today's Application option, a list of applications will be displayed along with an option to view its details. To view the Challan Report, select the Challan Report option from the Recent Activity section. Upon selecting the Challan Report option, a list of challans will be displayed along with the filter option to retrieve your desired results. Select the View Challan option to view details of a specific challan. To view the Collection Report, select the Collection Report option from the Recent Activity section. Upon selecting the Collection Report option, the Collection Report will be displayed along with the filter option to retrieve your desired results. Select the View Details option to view detailed information about the Collection Report. To generate a challan, select the Generate Challan option from the Challan Options section. Upon selecting the Generate Challan option, you will be redirected to the Challan generation form. Fill in the required details under the Violator's Information section. Challan type, full name, guardian name, mobile number, email, ward number, holding number, trade license number. After completing the violator information, enter the violator's address details, including region, street address, place. Next, enter the challan details, including violation department, violation type. Upload the document related to the violation by selecting the corresponding option. After completing all sections of the form, click the Generate Challan button for final submission. You will be prompted to confirm the submission. Upon successful submission, a confirmation message will be displayed stating that the challan has been generated along with generated challan number and options to view details, view challan, and access the payment option. To view the complete details, select the View Details option. To initiate payment, select the Pay Now button. You will be redirected to the payment screen. On the payment screen, select your preferred payment method. Enter any relevant remarks, then click the Payment button to proceed. You will be prompted to confirm the payment. Upon successful payment, you will be directed to the Payment Receipt screen. To obtain a printed copy of the payment receipt, select the Print option. To track a challan, select the Track Challan option from the Challan Options section. Upon selecting the Track Challan option, a list of challan applications will be displayed, along with a filter option to retrieve specific results. Enter the required criteria in the filter fields and click the Search button to access the desired result. From the filtered list, select a challan and click the View Details option to view its complete details. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.